Which statement is true about electron affinity? The value of first electron affinity is always negative. The bond which is based on attractive force between oppositely charged ion is ionic bond. Which statement is incorrect regarding a chemical bond? Bond formed by the large size atom is strong. The nitrile of alkaline earth metal hydrolyze with water to form NH3. The carbonates of alkali metals are soluble in water except lithium carbonate. The flame color of calcium in flame test is orange red. Which of the following is the most stable metal carbonate? Barium carbonate. The binding energy of transition metal increase up to group (4b). Isomerism due to shifting of proton from one atom to another in a same molecule is known as tautomerism. Isobutyl alcohol has following carbon attached to hydroxyl group primary. Oxidation of alcohol gives aldehyde. Butanone on oxidation with K2Cr2O7 H2SO4 forms acetic acid. Hydrolysis of nitriles produce carboxylic acid. Acetic anhydride is a product of acetic acid as a result of the following reaction. Dehydration. Which of the following enzyme is raised in rickets? Alkaline phosphatase. For a gaseous reaction, the increase in pressure will shift the equilibrium in direction decrease concentration. Acidic buffer consists of weak acid and salt of it with a strong base. The pH of human blood is maintained between 7.35 to 7.45. The buffer solution is not formed for HCl plus NaCl. In the reaction, H2 plus CO2 react to produce H2O plus CO. The decrease in the concentration of CO2 will shift equilibrium towards left. At equilibrium, the concentration of reactant and product becomes constant. The effect of temperature on the rate of reaction is given by Arrhenius equation. In a reversible reaction, catalyst lowers the activation energy for the forward as well as reverse reaction. The rate of reaction decreases as the reaction proceeds. 0.5 molar solution NaOH contain 20 gram NaOH in 1 dm3. The breakdown of a substance with current is electrolysis. Which of the following is balanced redox equation? C. Stronger the oxidizing agent, greater is the reduction potential. The type of bonding in the sodium is metallic. Which of the following halogen molecule has maximum bond energy? ClCl. Half atmospheric pressure is 50622 Pascal. The value of STP for 1 mole of any ideal gas is 273.16 Kelvin and 1 atm. The expression PV is equal to nRT represent the general gas equation. Pressure remaining constant, at which temperature volume of gas will become twice to the volume at 0 degree Celsius. to 73 degrees Celsius. A graph between volume and temperature gives a straight line which cuts the temperature axis at minus 273 degrees Celsius. What is not true for effusion of gas? Movement of particles due to collision among themselves. Upon which factor vapor pressure is independent? Surface area of liquid. Solid water is expanded how many times when it is compared with same volume of liquid water? Nine. Molar heat of vaporization is the amount of heat required to convert 1 mole of liquid into its vapor at its boiling point. At transition temperature of crystalline solid substance exists in dynamic equilibrium between two crystalline forms. Some substances lack definite heat of fusion. These substances are amorphous solid. Thermal conductivity of metal is due to freely moving electrons. Ice floats on the surface of water due to empty spaces in the surface of ice. When number of moles of reactant and product are equal in reversible reaction, which parameter would not affect at equilibrium? Catalyst. By which of the following factor equilibrium state is attained earlier? Catalyst. Many elements have fractional atomic mass. This is because atomic masses are average masses of isotopes proportional to their abundance. Mass of one molecule of oxygen is 32 by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 gram. The number of moles of carbon dioxide which contain 8 grams of oxygen are 0.25. Identify the correct option with same empirical formula for both compounds. C6H12O6 and CH3COOH. 1 mole of any substance contain dash substance. .02 into 10 raised to power 23. What are the Avogadro's number of particles in 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide? .5 into 10 raised to power 23. The charge on 1 kg of electron is 1.75 into 10 raised to power 11 coulomb. Which of the following fundamental particles have same mass by kg? Neutron, proton. The lightest positive rays obtained is from hydrogen gas. The amount of energy associated with quantum of radiation is directly proportional to frequency. X-rays are defined as electromagnetic radiations of high energy. Which of the following orbital will be filled first then 4p? (3d). Maximum how many electrons can be placed in one orbital? (2). Mass of electron in AMU is 5.485 into 10 raised to power 4. Starting point of Kelvin scale is 0 Kelvin.